right? Power of lens. It is the ability of lens. It is the ability of lens to converge or diverge the rays. It is ability of lens to converge or diverge the rays when it passes through them. When it passes through them. It is reciprocal of focal length measured in meters. Its SI unit is diopter denoted by D. Why does sun appears red at sunrise or sunset? At sunrise or sunset, sun is at horizon. At sunrise or sunset, sun is at horizon. The rays coming from sun has to cover larger distance before it reaches the earth. According to Rayleigh's law of scattering, the intensity of scattering is inversely proportional to fourth power of wavelength. So maximum rays get scattered back in the sky and the rays reaching to the earth is reddish yellow. Hence it appears to be red because wavelength of Vibgyor has wavelength of red maximum. So the lower one gets scattered, only the larger wavelength they reach the earth. Therefore it appears to be reddish before at sunrise or sunset. Write the answer. During sunrise and sunset. हाँ बोलो ना बोलता मैं मैं 8:30 करूँ फोन आपके नंबर पे करता हूँ during sunrise and sunset the rays have to travel larger distance of the atmosphere because they are close to horizon therefore according to Rayleigh's law of scattering intensity of scattering proportional to 1 upon lambda raised to 4. The wavelength of red light is maximum. Hence, it gets scattered least. Okay. Written? Why does blue color predominates in clear sky? So can anybody tell the answer? Why blue color appears more in the sky? Hello? What would be the answer of this?
Diffraction.
कौन बोला है डाइफ्रैक्शन? डाइफ्रैक्शन कौन बोल दिया? आर्यन सिंह? हेलो आर्यन सिंह?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
ऐसा नहीं है, 7 कलर में से कुछ कलर अर्थ स्काई में गया तो स्कैटरिंग हुआ ना, डाइफ्रैक्शन कैसे?
हाँ, yes, sir.
तो ये आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू, सेम पहले जैसा है, रेड कलर क्यों दिखा, उसकी वजह, उसका दूसरा रीजन है ब्लू कलर क्यों स्काई में दिखा, अकॉर्डिंग टू रेलीज लॉ ऑफ scattering, intensity of scattering I proportional 1 upon lambda raised to 4. As wavelength of blue light is less, it gets scattered maximum. Again, as wavelength of blue light is less, it gets scattered maximum. Diffraction तो illumination of geometrical shadow होता है. Next, a concave lens, very important, has been asked even in NEET exams. A convex lens of refractive index 1.5 is immersed in a medium of refractive index 1.65. What is nature of lens? If concave lens is situated in air whose refractive index is 1, then what is nature of this lens? Diverging. Correct? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
And if convex lens is in air, then it is converging. So if you see clearly, if the refractive index of the medium in which lenses are placed is less, तो natural होता है उनका behavior, diverging, converging, मतलब ये असली है. But when convex lens is immersed in a medium of refractive index greater than its material, then its property will get reversed. That means in place of diverging, it will show converging property. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Wording में, right? If a concave lens is placed in a medium having refractive index is placed in a medium having refractive index, if concave lens is placed in a medium having refractive index more than its material, then its property gets reversed. That is, it behaves like converging lens. It behaves like converging lens. It behaves like converging lens. When an object is placed between f and 2f of a concave mirror, f and 2f of a concave mirror, would the image formed be real or virtual? Image form will be real or virtual. And second, diminished or magnified. Object is placed between f2f of the concave mirror, then the image is real or virtual, diminished or magnified. I'm just drawing ray diagram for you to understand the nature of the image. Concave mirror is having reflective side inside and polished surfaces bulging from outside. Concave. This is optic hole. F I have taken at 2 centimeter, 2F at 2 centimeter. Object is placed between F and 2F. Can you tell me what is the size of image if object is at 2F? Same size होता है ना? At 2F then same size. At F then it goes to infinity. And highly magnified when at F. So when the object is placed between F and 2F, एक तो real होगा, second magnified आएगा. देखते हैं आ रहा है कैसे. After passing parallel to principal axis will pass through focus, and passing through focus becomes parallel to principal axis in case of mirror. Passing through focus becomes parallel to principal axis. So what we can say, it is magnified or diminished? Magnified. Real क्या virtual?
Virtual. Real.
Real है ना, असली में real है ना?
Real. Sorry.
Real. So draw this diagram and below write down image is real and magnified. देखो HSC वाले को ये बोर्ड में नहीं आएगा, बट एंट्रेंस में आएगा ये सब, इसलिए आई एम डूइंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. Can anybody answer? Sixth one. A biconcave convex lens is made up of material having refractive index 1.25 but immersed in material greater than its own material. So its nature will be opposite. That means converging then it becomes diverging, diverging then it becomes converging. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer for this? Since biconvex lens is placed in the medium of refractive index greater than its material, therefore its nature will get changed. So it will not behave like converging, but it will behave like diverging lens. Okay, you all can write in answer this answer when it comes in the exam.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वाला एग्जैक्टली सेम है. अभी ऐसा बोला है अ बाई कॉन्वेक्स लेंस, सेम टू सेम वर्ड, मेड ऑफ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट material, made up of transparent material of refractive index 1.5 is immersed in water. 1.5 is immersed in water of refractive index 1.33. सोच के बोलना आंसर. Will the lens behaves as converging or diverging? Well, it's refractive. Converging because it is placed in the medium of refractive index less than its own material, then same nature, converging. और अगर refractive index ज्यादा रहेगा तो उल्टा हो जाता है. So this also answer you can write. Next, a convex lens, beautiful sound. A convex lens is placed in contact with a plane mirror. A convex lens is placed in contact with plane mirror. A point object at a distance of 20 centimeter on the axis of this combination has its image coinciding with itself. What is the focal length of the lens? क्वेश्चन लिखो फिर मैं रे डायग्राम से समझाता हूं. Convex lens is placed in contact with plane mirror. So this is plane mirror. Convex lens is placed in contact with this. A convex lens is placed in contact with plane mirror. Point object is a distance of 20 centimeter from the combination of its here. 20 centimeter on the combination. Object is placed at 20 centimeter. Has its image coinciding with itself. See what mirror will do? It will reflect the ray back. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if the rays passes through the lens and becomes perpendicular, and becomes perpendicular. That means what? It will retrace the path again. Na? This we know.
Yes, yes, sir.
It will retrace the path again और फिर से इधर ही image मिल जाएगा बराबर. That means what is image का distance at object?
Minus 20
उधर ही
centimeter.
आएगा ना. तो focal length when rays parallel to principal axis reflect हो क्या है? It will pass through focus. So image is formed at focus. Therefore, focal length is same 20 centimeter. Is the focal length. Completed? Hello, completed this one?
Yes, sir, done.
Write the relationship between angle of incidence I, comma, angle of prism A and angle of minimum deviation for a triangular prism. Any of you know relation between A, delta and minimum deviation? A, I and delta M. Any of you know relation? Yes, anybody is remembering relation between A, delta, M and I? Hello? Are you knowing the relation?
A plus delta is equals to I plus E.
A plus delta is I plus E. But when delta is delta M, that is minimum deviation, then I is same as E. So A plus delta M will be I plus I. Therefore, A plus delta M will be 2I. A plus delta M equals to 2I. Therefore, I is A plus delta M upon 2 is the relation. I is A plus delta M upon 2. Write this, then I am explaining you prism formula once again. Done?
Yes, sir.
आपको प्रिज्म फॉर्मूला करा देता हूँ फिर थोड़ा बड़ा डेरिवेशन दैट वन. Obtain prism formula. Consider a triangular prism ABC where AB, AC are refracting surface and BC is the base. Ray PQ is incident on refracting surface AB at an angle of incidence I. At point Q, it undergoes refraction and follows path QR. At R, it again undergoes refraction and follows path RS. QR is refracted ray, RS is emergent ray. Let R1, R2, E be the angle of refraction and emergent respectively. Produce PQ and SR to meet at point O. Delta is angle of deviation. Angle OQR equals to I minus R1. This angle is I minus R1. Angle ORQ equals to E minus R2. Just draw the ray diagram. थोड़ा और बड़ा बनाओ. Once again, see ray diagram. Hello? Yeah. हाँ याद आया ये निर्मल लाइफस्टाइल. Yes. Yeah. हाँ, got it. हाँ. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Which school is it? Acha. Yeah, I do take 9th, 10th ICSE. Yeah. See, actually, I have got batch of this Euro school and one Billabong and Singhania. You see, if I get the student minimum 4, I will separate the batch because mixing the batch, na, they don't get that what we want to get. Syllabus match नहीं होता है, exam का days match नहीं होते हैं, फिर teachers they don't start. So I prefer to take batch wise. So if I get the student of JK Singhania, I will teach only JK Singhania. Right now I am having Billabong and this Euro school. Yeah. Yes. No problem. Madam. Even if I get 3 students, I will start. But mixing will not, they will not be happy because ICSE का हर एक का pattern अलग है ना. Because few schools will keep exam 15 days before, who will keep after that. So, no. Actually, it is not sensible to mix the fuel. It has to be separate. Especially oh, yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, at least three also we can start because थोड़ा तो क्या है we should दो दिन पूर्ण होते तो we also get energy to keep. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. Yes, sure. Draw this ray diagram properly. P Q R S. Produce this backwards to meet at point O. Delta is an angle of deviation R1, R2, E, I minus R1, E minus R2. Suppose they meet at point D, ABC is triangular prism. Diagram completed, full? Just see whether you have followed this. In quadrilateral AQDR, angle AQD is 90, ARD is 90. Therefore, their total is 180. Oh, 90 degree. Therefore, their total is 180 degree. If total is 180 degree, it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, this QAR plus QDR will be 180. In triangle QDR, R1 plus R2 plus QDR is 180. Sum of measure of triangle is 180. So from 1 and 2 we get QAR plus QDR is R1 plus R2 plus QDR cancel. A equal to R1 plus R2, equation 3. Complete till this? Completed till third equation?
Yes, sir.
Now can you see delta is exterior angle in triangle OQR? This delta is exterior angle in this triangle. Can you see?
Yes.
What is property of exterior angle? It is sum of remote interior angle. So in triangle OQR, delta is an exterior angle. Therefore, delta equals to I minus R1 plus E minus R2. So delta is I plus E minus of R1 plus R2. So I plus E minus A plus delta equals to I plus E. This is what we wrote relation earlier. Now when delta becomes minimum, then value of I and E are same. Also R1 is same as R2, we can call R. Therefore from third one, A is R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 means RR. So A is 2R, R will be A by 2. So when angle of deviation is minimum, R is A by 2. From fourth, A plus delta is I plus E. At minimum deviation, I and E are same. So A plus delta M is 2I. A plus delta M upon 2 equals to I. Now by Snell's law, refractive index of second with respect to first is sin I upon sin R. Therefore mu equals to sin I, we got A plus delta M upon 2 and R is sin A by 2. This is known as prism formula. This is known as prism formula. Now I think it might have clicked in your brain how we got this prism formula. Any doubt? Hello? Yeah, please copy full. So बीच में ऐसा बड़ा वाला part आएगा तो derivation I will keep on explaining of ray optics. This Sunday test of CBSE student will be theory of ray optics and optical, that means light chapter, whatever I complete. And for state board already I have given the schedule. Once you complete, please tell.
Done, sir.
Shall I clear full? Everybody has done? Yes, other students have also done.
Yes, sir.
When red light passing through a convex lens, when red light passing through convex lens is replaced by light of blue color, how will the focal length of the lens change? When red light passing through convex lens is replaced by light of blue color, how will the focal length of lens change? Focal length of lens is given by 1 upon f mu minus 1 into 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Okay, this you know. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
radius cannot change by changing the color. Only mu can change. So we know lambda blue is less than lambda red. I think you also know. In Vibgyor series, red is maximum. So when you are replacing red with blue, that means wavelength of blue has become less. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So refractive index for blue color is greater than refractive index for red color. Refractive index and wavelength are inverse. Now here focus is inversely proportional to mu. That means we are getting f is inversely proportional to refractive index. Therefore, focal length will decrease because 1 upon f is mu minus 1. So focal length will decrease. Okay. Hello, followed? Because refractive index is increasing,
Yes, sir.
focal length will decrease. Right.
Done, sir.
Next question is how does focal length changes when red light is replaced by violet? Same हो गया ना? Red is changed to violet. Same ना? Focal length will decrease. The question is बोला है how does focal length of a lens change when red light is replaced by violet? Same no? Exactly same answer as previous one. So same as 10. Next one. MCQ based question. Under what condition does a biconvex under what condition a biconvex lens of glass having certain refractive index acts as a plain glass sheet when immersed in a liquid? Very important question. Under what condition does biconvex lens having certain refractive index behaves as plain glass sheet when immersed in the liquid? See, when it will behave like converging lens, biconvex, when it behaves like converging, when refractive index of material is greater than that outside, correct ना?
हाँ सर.
And when material is less than outside तो उल्टा हो जाता है ना. तो जब ये मटेरियल और आउटसाइड सेम टू सेम रहेगा ना, so it will behave like plain glass sheet, मतलब आर पार हो जाएगा ग्लास के जैसा. It will not reflect neither refract, right? When the biconvex lens is of same refractive index, when biconvex lens is of same refractive index as that of liquid in which it is immersed is same as that of liquid in which it is immersed, then it behaves like plain glass sheet. Plain glass sheet means just transparent sheet where light will just pass but with no refraction, no reflection. Written? Hello, completed?
Yes sir.
Next. 13th. For same values of angle of incidence. For same values of angle of incidence, the angles of refraction in three media A, B and C are 15 degree, 25 degree, 35 degree respectively. For same angle of incidence, angle of refraction in the medium ABC are 15, 25, 35 respectively. In which medium would the velocity of light be minimum? For same value of I in three different medium, angle of refraction are 15, 25, 35. In which medium would the velocity of light be minimum? See, velocity of light will be minimum in that medium where refractive index is maximum because it is inversely proportional. This logic clear? Velocity will be minimum in that medium whose refractive index is maximum, correct? Hello?
Yes.
Velocity will be minimum in that medium where refractive index is maximum. So I'm writing first line like this. The velocity will be minimum in that medium in which refractive index is maximum. The velocity will be minimum in that medium in which refractive index is maximum. Now refractive index mu is sin I upon sin R. Since sin I is constant, therefore mu is inversely proportional to sin R. Sine R will increase with the angle or decreases with the angle? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sine 15, sine दूसरा क्या दिया है 25 and sine 35. Sine 35 is less than sine 25. This is less than sine 35, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sine 15 is less than sine 25 is less than sine 35. तो जिसका refractive index maximum उधर वेलोसिटी इज मिनिमम. वी वांट मिनिमम किधर? तो ये अगर मैक्सिमम चाहिए तो आर मिनिमम चाहिए ना.
हाँ सर.
Therefore refractive index is minimum for r equals to mu is minimum for r equals to, we want refractive index maximum. So sin 35 का value is least. So mu is maximum for r equal to 15 degree. Therefore velocity is minimum in medium A because r is 15 in medium A. R 15 mu maximum then V minimum. Write the reasons properly. Completed?
Done, sir.
Next. When monochromatic light travels from one medium to another, its wavelength changes, but frequency remains the same. Explain. Frequency does not changes, but wavelength changes, velocity also changes. Explain. Write the reason. I think you might not be knowing. सचिन थोड़ा एक आधे घंटे के बाद करता हूँ. ठीक है. The refractive refractive index of given pair of media depends upon ratio of wavelength or velocity. So because refractive index depends upon ratio of wavelength or velocity, hence frequency remains constant. Right answer. Completed full?
Yes, sir.
What is critical angle? Critical angle? When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then angle of incidence at which angle of refraction is 90 degree is called as critical angle. So angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree is called critical angle. Right definition, then I am doing एक formula का proof. Show that refractive index of denser with respect to rarer is 1 upon sine of critical angle. Yes, done. Done and written the heading. Show that refractive index of denser with respect. हो गया?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
No. Since refractive index of second with respect to first is always sin I, upon sin r by Snell's law of refraction. Therefore, refractive index of second medium is rarer. First medium is denser. Will be sin of I upon sin r for critical angle. If I becomes critical angle equal to IC, which is called critical angle, then angle of refraction R is 90 degree. So we can say refractive index of rarer with respect to denser is sine of critical angle upon sine of 90 degree. 1 upon refractive index of rarer with respect to denser is sine 90 upon sine of critical angle. I just inverted. So when you interchange this, it will become reciprocal. So denser with respect to rarer, I just interchange, so reciprocal over. This is 1 upon sine of critical. Hence prove. Prove this. Complete till end. Done.
Yeah, sir.
What is total internal reflection when ray when the ray of light traveling from denser medium to rarer medium is incident at an angle greater than critical angle, then ray of light comes back into the same medium. This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. Right. when two lenses of focal length f1 f2 are combined together, then resultant focal length is given by 1 upon f equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. If t is distance between them, then 1 upon f is 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 minus d upon f1 f2. So these two formulas write down for combination of lenses. This you can also write as, or power, we can write p1 plus p2. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. That's all for today. Next class will move ahead with our